Breaking news coming in, viewers decoding the Psycho Mango files. Now, TMC Monojit link has been accessed. How the accused got a free hand, that's what we are exposing at the moment. Monojit's appointment letter, that has been accessed by Times Now. We've accessed Monojit Mishra's appointment letter as an organizing secretary for the year. This is 2021-2022 under the leadership of one Sarthak Banerjee in the TMCP. That's the latest coming in. We have my colleague Ridhita who's joining us live on the broadcast. Ridhita, help us decode this document which we have accessed, Monojit Mishra's appointment letter with us. Help us understand how it exposes the TMC accused link, the tango between the two.
Absolutely. After today, TMC's MLA Shashi Panja has accepted that Monojit has actually drawn a shame to the party. We see this letter of 18th February 2021 under the leadership of Sarthak Banerjee, who is again said to be the TMCP youth president in this very district of South Kolkata district under Chhatro Parishad. Monojit Mishra in the year 2021-22 was in the organizational secretary position for the very party. Now let us remember that Monojit has been a repetitive offender since the year 2013, after which in 2017 also he was booked under the Kojba police station. But after all this repetitive offense, he was put into the position of organizational secretary in the Trinamool Congress Chhatro Parishad South Calcutta district in the leadership of Sarthak Banerjee. So today morning, as we heard Shashi Panja telling us that he was removed from the party after 2022, but after 2021 and 22, this year's election, there has been no election in the Chhatro Parishad as we understand. So this is the latest organizational secretary and the position holders of the party who were holding their position in Trinamool Chhatro Parishad under the leadership of the very youth president. So you understand that TMC had full link, full support to this person irrespective of him holding a criminal record since 2013. Now questions arises, if for a person who has been holding a criminal record from 2013, why was he even appointed in the year 2021-22 in the secretarial position of the Chhatro Parishad?
All right. So, Ridhita, obviously, you're breaking down how this appointment letter shows the proximity, the patronage which the accused got, from the TMC. Also, talking about, this the TMC Monojit link, it isn't just this particular appointment letter, isn't it? We have been revealing sensational and stunning details from the morning when it comes to how he has been getting patronage from the TMC, isn't it? Could you summarize all of that for our viewers, Ridhita?
Absolutely. Since the morning, exclusively Times Now has been breaking one after other notices that has given a free hand to Monojit. Firstly, you see the 3:45, the first notice broke today morning was the 3:45 warning bell for all the students that will make the students leave the campus by 4 p.m. and the gates are to be closed by 4 p.m. But we see this incident took place at 7:30 at night, which makes it to the point that Monojit was given a free hand after the college hours and he was allowed to enter the college after the V hours of the college. So it is very clear that the authorities, in spite of putting a law, putting up a rule, it was breached by Monojit and the authorities were well aware of it. Secondly, the authorities, where we see Vice Principal Noyana Chatterjee writing and her stamp.
Apologies, I'm interrupting you here. I'll come back to you. We have Dilip Ghosh on the phone line with us. Thank you, sir, for joining us. What will you say about, the latest revelations Times Now has accessed? How the accused, Monojit, literally was appointed. That appointment letter has been accessed by us. Like, the close proximity, the patronage he shared for TMC, that's on the spotlight again. What will you say about this latest news break, sir?
नहीं, देखिए, एक लॉ कॉलेज जहां से एक पास आउट किया हुआ लॉयर बना हुआ वो प्रैक्टिस करता है कोर्ट में, और वो इस प्रकार कॉन्टेक्चुअल काम में उसी कॉलेज में कैसे एम्प्लॉय बन सकता है? ये तो बंगाल में जॉब की इतनी कमी है कि एक लॉयर को भी कॉन्टेक्चुअल में आके काम करना पड़ता है। कितना मिलता है? 8-10 हज़ार मिलता होगा, 15 हज़ार मिलता होगा महीना में। या तो फिर इसके पीछे जो साजिश है, 11 साल से वो लड़का उस कॉलेज में एज ए विद्यार्थी, फिर वहाँ के ये यूनियन लीडर, फिर वहाँ के एम्प्लॉई, वो उस कॉलेज को कंट्रोल करता है। वाइस प्रिंसिपल की कोई हिम्मत नहीं, बिना पूछे कोई डिसीजन ले। तो ऐसे लोग अगर कॉलेज को चलाएंगे इनडायरेक्टली, और जो इतने बड़े दरिंदा है, इतनी सारी उसके खिलाफ और सारा कई कंप्लेन है, वो धीरे धीरे सामने आ रहा है। इस प्रकार लोग एक एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट को चलाते हैं। कितनी बड़ी क्राइम है, और क्राइम क्रिमिनल्स का एक गैंग चुके हैं, उनके नाम लिखा हुआ है। हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल में किसी स्टूडेंट यूनियन का इलेक्शन होता नहीं, कई साल से बंद किया कि झगड़ा होता है, लेकिन वहाँ स्टूडेंट यूनियन का रूम है और वो यूज करते हैं वहाँ की यूनियन। जहाँ यूनियन नहीं है, इलेक्शन नहीं है, तो यूनियन रूम क्यों है? और उसको इसी प्रकार गलत काम के लिए यूज किया जाता है। और वहाँ के एमएलए इनका गॉडफादर है, वहाँ के सारे नेता उनको जानते हैं, युवा नेता है वो। तो ऐसे लोग अगर सारा करेंगे तो किसका हिम्मत है? वहाँ के पुलिस थाना इसका एफआईआर नहीं ले पाती है। वहाँ के जो सप्लाई करते हैं सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी, उसको मारपीट किया है जो एजेंसी का मालिक है, उसका हिम्मत नहीं है कंप्लेन करने का। सिक्योरिटी के द्वारा उसका हाथ पांव दबाया जाता है। आप समझ सकते हैं किस स्थिति से गुजर रही बंगाल। एक मेडिकल कॉलेज का जो डॉक्टर को ऑन ड्यूटी, उसका ऊपर सामूहिक बलात्कार होता है। एक लॉ कॉलेज का एक लड़की जो उनकी ट्रेड यूनियन का लीडर, स्टूडेंट यूनियन का लीडर, उनका ऊपर नींद दहाड़े रेप होता है। तो बंगाल किस परिस्थिति से गुजर रही है?
All right, Dilip Ghosh, thank you for joining us with your views. Obviously, when it comes to the West Bengal gang rape case, the fallout and the aftermath, politics escalating, we'll keep an eye on this big story through the course of the day. As of now, we're shifting our focus